Hello and welcome to this tutorial video for the Engineer3D software by INNTEC.PL. This tutorial covers a number of functions that should be used to ensure proper support generation and an optimal workflow. Before we begin, please remember that every sidebar control has a tooltip explaining its operation. After objects have been imported and edited to suit the user's needs, the user may want to perform a few more operations before they generate support. First and most important is Reorientation, found in the Preprocess tab of the toolbox on the right. Reorientation automatically rotates and elevates the model according to the settings. The main reorientation modes are Minimal Support, which minimizes the area in need of support, Elevate Only, which does not rotate the model at all, and Dental, which positions dental type objects open side up. All models are described in the tooltip of the drop-down menu. Once a model is oriented as needed, it can be marked with one of the tools. The Tags tool creates self-supporting structures that are attached to the models and contain whatever string the user set in the text box. The %d expression signifies the tag index. Another way to mark a model is the Emboss tool. This feature makes up to 4 characters directly on the mesh. The characters can be pushed inward or outward relative to the surface. It is also possible to engrave a small image with a black and white image file. To remove an embossing, the revert feature must be used. The markings can be done automatically by pressing the controls here or manually with the Supports and Tags tool, hotkey N. With the tool window open, selecting either Tags or Emboss and left-clicking on a model generates a marking in that spot. Here are a few example markings. When dealing with a large number of objects, positioning them on the tray may be very time-consuming. The Packing tool can do this automatically. It is found in a separate toolbox tab on the right. The packing can take place around a selected position, but by default, models are placed around the middle. The margin control sets the minimal distance between models and from the tray edge. The complexity parameters determine whether the packing is quick or precise. Setting pack in place will cause the packing to take place within the current tray rather than create a new one. Partial repack causes the selected models to be packed around the unselected ones. This way the user can set some of the models as they see fit and pack the rest of the tray contents around them. With that, this tutorial is finished. When in doubt, check for tooltips and look around for help dialogues. In case of any questions, leave a comment in the section below. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more.